If you're not serious about becoming an engineer, and if you're here only for a degree and you don't mind feeling lost after 4 years, then Leapstart isn't for you. But if you think beyond the conventional, if you believe in learning by doing and you aspire to spend the next 4 years with a cohort that inspires you to grow every day, then Leapstart is the place for you. Here, you don't just study, you build from day one. Could be projects, prototypes, and actual tech. You'll work on over 50 plus real-world projects, you'll solve industry problems, and gain hands-on experience that actually matters. But it's not just about gaining that experience, it's also who you build it with. Your classmates aren't just students, they're future founders, engineers, and tech disruptors. The kind who'd rather build something real than just talk about it. So who is Leapstart for? It's for the ambitious, the curious, the doers, and the dreamers ready to shape what's next. If that's you, we'd love to build the future with you. Apply now.